Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video we will discuss about high dividend yield stocks explained and whether they are a real income opportunity or a value trap. First, let's understand dividend yield. Dividend yield shows how much dividend income an investor receives compared to the share price. The simple formula is annual dividend per share divided by share price. For example, if a stock pays $4 per year and the share price is $50, the dividend yield is 8%. So, a higher yield means more income compared to the stock price. However, a high dividend yield does not always mean a good investment. A yield can become high for two main reasons. One reason is that the company is paying a strong and stable dividend. The other reason is that the stock price has fallen sharply. This second reason can be risky, because a falling share price may make the dividend yield look attractive even when the company's business is becoming weaker. Next, a high dividend yield can be an opportunity when the company has stable cash flow, a reasonable payout ratio, a healthy balance sheet, a reliable dividend history, and a strong position in its industry. In this situation, the high yield may happen because the market is temporarily worried, not because the business is in serious danger. On the other hand, a high dividend yield can become a value trap when there are warning signs. These warning signs include falling earnings, too much debt, an unsustainably high payout ratio, weak dividend coverage, or a business model under pressure. If profits and cash flow continue to weaken, the company may reduce or stop the dividend, and the stock price may keep falling. Therefore, before buying a high dividend yield stock, investors should check a few important things. First, look at the payout ratio to see whether the dividend is covered by earnings. Then, check free cash flow to understand whether the company has enough real cash to support payments. After that, review debt levels, dividend history, business outlook, and the condition of the whole sector. In simple terms, an opportunity is usually a company with strong fundamentals, a covered dividend, and long-term stability after a temporary price drop. But a value trap is usually a company where the price is falling for real reasons, earnings are weak, the dividend is at risk, and the business has deeper problems. So, the main rule is, don't chase yield alone. A high dividend yield is only attractive if the business can continue paying it. Always focus on quality, dividend coverage, cash flow, and long-term durability. Finally, high dividend yield stocks can offer income opportunities, but they can also hide serious risk. The best choice is a sustainable dividend backed by a strong business. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.